Hello mga motorista and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. What we have here mga motorista is the Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 IS. So this is their top of the line model sa kanilang Crosstrek na variant. This is yung previous nito na name is XV. For 2023, change na ni Subaru yung name nito into Crosstrek, no, to have the same name, no, all across the world, no, kasi sa North America and other parts of the world, ang tawag dito is Crosstrek. So, yun na yung name na ginamit ni Subaru dito. And now, it is now available dito in our local dealer dito sa Cagayan de Oro. And today, let me show you the specs and features niya and what are the very nice features of the Subaru Crosstrek. Now, this Subaru Crosstrek here is the top of the line model. Dalawa lang yung variant, no? Meron siyang 2.0 IL and ito naman is yung 2.0 IS. So, difference lang sila ng onte when it comes to the specs. But if you want to go for the higher one, this is the Subaru na you should get, no, sa kanilang Crosstrek model. So, ano yung features dito sa harapan niya is, if you can see mga motorista dito sa harapan, no, for this model year, mas aggressive na yung design niya. Very sharp looking, no. I remember yung first time na nilabas nila yung Crosstrek and until it has evolved to more of a bigger crossover na SUV, napakaganda pa din ng design, especially for this 2023 model year. Now you can see your Subaru logo there, and also yung ating headlights mas menacing na siya ngayon. So projector type LED, and it does follow the tires, no. So kung nagte-turn ka, nagbe-bend din yung ating headlights kung saan nakatutok yung mga gulong natin sa harap, which is really good. Sa ilalim naman, you can also see yung ating mga front fog lights are all LED. It is reflector type LEDs. And also, si Subaru, yung pinaka main na maganda talaga sa kanila is their symmetrical all-wheel drive. Talaga namang hindi ka mamomroblema when it comes to rough terrain kasi again, you have that symmetrical all-wheel drive, no, sa ilalim niya. So, unlike other crossover in the competition na front-wheel drive lang talaga, ito talaga is always again, meron siyang all-wheel drive. And that's one big advantage if you go for the Subaru models than another brand, no, like Honda. Usually more of that less aggressive sila when it comes to the drivetrain. So ito si Subaru talagang always yan naka all-wheel drive yung mga SUV nila. So dito naman sa side, mga motorista, kita nyo din kind of similar look sa ating outgoing or previous generation model. So kita nyo din meron tayong mga well-designed here na mga plastic body claddings, and also yung ating tire is a more low profile tire. So yung gamit ng tire, mga motorista, is Falken, and yung ating gulong is 225 by 55 or 1898V. So basically these are highway tires, and yung ating disc brake din is also ventilated sa harap. Napakalaki ng disc brakes niya sa harap, mga motorista, no? And you can also see na naka McPherson strut type na yung na suspension then. And what I like is meron siyang mga sound deadening materials around the wheel, kaya sobrang tahimik nito sa mga motorista sa loob. So yeah, moving on, ito yung ating side mirror, different na paint sa ating car itself. And also you can see, mga motorista, here you have a roof rail as standard. I think this is really functional roof rail as well. And then yung ating glass area is patulis siya, no, dito sa ating D-pillar. Okay, dito naman sa likod is independent suspension, disc brake pa din, and ventilated din siya, hindi lang siya solid disc brake. So yung kagandahan again is that it is an independent suspension. So mas sophisticated yung rear suspension setup natin. So napaka-comfortable nito, mga motorista, no? So mamaya test drive natin siya, tignan natin kung ano yung mga thoughts ko about the test drive experience sa ating Crosstrek. Dito naman sa likod, kita nyo din na meron tayong spoiler here na integrated, and then meron tayong high mount stoplight, meron tayong fin type antenna na unpainted, meron tayong rear defogger, and then rear wiper. And again, the design is more aggressive for 2023, especially this LED taillights. So pasurround na siya, no, just like the Subaru WRX nila ngayon, parang ganun yung design niya. And then you have here your bulb type turn signal light, and then also bulb type pa din yung ating reverse light. So meron tayong mga badging here like Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, you have your reverse camera, you have your Crosstrek, and you have your eyesight, no. na badge. And meron tayong 4 na sensors dito sa likuran. And let me just show you yung ilalim. Ayan yung ating differential, mga motorista, for the all-wheel drive system. Ayan, and then ito yung ating exhaust. Right. So meron tayong sensors dyan. And another thing that ipo-point out ko, si Crosstrek lang, meron din siyang wiper, or meron siyang washer, no, for the headlight, no. So kung maputik ang daan, like sa highway, pwede mo siyang i-wash here para mas maganda yung buga ng ating headlight. Okay? So ayan yung exterior nating Crosstrek. Now let's move on to the engine. Tignan naman natin yung specs nito. Si Subaru Crosstrek has a 1995cc engine, and yung engine niya, mga motorista, is petrol direct injected 4-cylinder double overhead cam, 16-valve boxer engine. So again, typical Subaru engine, mga motorista. And this one is 2.0 liter, and yung ating fuel capacity is 63 liters. This engine is paired to a CVT with 8-speed manual mode and paddle shifters, mga motorista, no. So meron siyang simulated gears na 8-speed, and yung ating power output ng ating engine is 156 PS of max power and 196 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM from the 2-liter boxer engine. Mga motorista, this is the interior sa ating Subaru Crosstrek na 2.0 IS. So this is their top of the line model, no. And interior wise, no, definitely napakaganda ng fit and finish and quality ng interior. Although hindi siya ganun ka, you know, yung materials natin, hindi siya ganun ka ano talaga ka premium na walang may leather dito, and then dito ito halos hard touch plastic siya, mga motorista, no. Pero when it comes to fit and finish and plastic quality, maganda talaga si Subaru. And also, yung ating screen dito sa center, this is an 11.6-inch display. This is a color TFT, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto na din. And also, we have lots of functionality dito sa ating screen, no? So, pasensya na kung mayroong cover. We have your radio, media, phone. Meron tayong auto stop na button there, and then meron tayong apps. CarPlay, Android Auto yan, and also settings as well. So lahat ng settings, no, and then malalaki yung mga fonts natin, so easy lang siyang i-navigate. You have your car info right here, so you have driving statistics, no, yung ating symmetrical all-wheel drive, ayan, and then meron tayong angle, no, tilt sensor dito, and yeah, meron tayong mga tilt sensor sa sasakyan para malaman kung gaano pa talaga ka so meron din tayong mga tilt sensors, ayan, naka-display, and meron kang mga profile, no, for the drivers. So sa ilalim naman, you have your controls for the audio system. So dito naman sa ilalim, meron tayong controls para sa ating AC or air conditioning system, and fully digital siya, mga motorista. Yung mga control mo lang dito sa sides na physical button is for the cooling and heating, and meron siya defoggers on both sides and also on the passenger side. Dual zone climate control siya. But what is really nice is napaka-responsive ng display. AC on and off is here na sa screen, and then pati yung ating fan speed. Ayan. And then dito naman sa ilalim, meron na tayong Type-C na port, 3.0 amps, and USB 2.4 amps, mga motorista, as well as aux port pa din. And here, we have your Qi wireless charging, and ito yung ating shifter. Now, this shifter is a standard shifter ngayon, CVT transmission, of course, and this is simulated 8-speed na manual mode. So PRND manual mode, and then you have here your electronic parking brake. Meron tayong, pwede mo sigurong lagyan to ng coins, and then ayan, ito yung susi natin sa Crosstrek. So very decent, no, very Subaru na susi. So you have lock, and then yung Subaru na logo is yung unlock, as well as meron tayong trunk opener here. Smart key siya, engine push to start na siya. So dito naman sa ilalim na part, no, very nice yung ating mga cup holders, malapad naman siya. And also you have your accessory outlet na 12 volt 120 watts. Now yung ating armrest is leather with this parang gray stitching and also gray material. And malaki yung ating cubby hole or cubby storage area here. Now for the top of the line model, you get leather seats. No? Kung hindi top of the line model, fabric seats lang siya mga motorista. No? And yung I think no, for the price of 2.1 million fabric seats, I'm not so sure about that. For this high-end model, maganda siya kasi naka-leather seats, napaka-comfortable niya. Now, steering wheel natin is tilt and also telescoping. Ayan, meron tayong paddle shifter sa ating steering wheel, leather steering wheel, white stitching, napakaganda ng bolstering. And also you have here automatic headlights, auto high beams as well. And also dito you have automatic wipers, no? So hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip masyado kung ano yung gusto mong intermittent function kasi automatic siya. Adjustment na lang sa sensitivity. Now sa steering wheel is really nice, no? Very high quality naman yung ating steering wheel, especially sa controls. So on this side you have your next button, you have your source, and then kung itatoggle natin yung ating kung magtatoggle tayo dito, kita nyo na we have here your information sa ating screen. So as you can see mga motorista, no, you have your liter per 100 na instant fuel consumption, and then distance to empty, ayan, auto stop na timer, as well as kita nyo din na meron tayong adaptive cruise control with low speed follow na yan. Now dito naman sa taas na part, no, unfortunately here hindi pa siya LED, pero again you can replace it with LED bulbs naman. Pero frosted type siya na mga dome lights. You have a sunroof dito, pwede mo siyang isarado. So I really like no yung mga frameless na rear view mirror as well. So when it comes to the display mga motorista, no, si Honda nag almost TFT na yung mga screen, if not yung full screen na. Ito si Crosstrek is analog pa din, which is not bad. Very traditional yung design niya. You have a screen here. I think this is a 4.5, 4.3 inch display sa center natin na color. And then you have your rev counter, you have your speedometer, and you also have your temperature gauge. And then sa kabilang side is yung ating fuel gauge. So meron din tayong meron tayong gear position indicator na maliit, yung ating auto stop na indicator na maliit din. You have your sport mode, and also when you click the steering wheel or you press here, meron din siyang intelligent mode. Okay, and then aside from that, dito sa ating mga doors, no, well designed, very contour design, as well as meron tayong mga faux or fake na carbon fiber materials dito. So you also get adjustment, no, for the backlight dun sa ating screen. Ito naman sa ating door cards, napaka well thought of, very design focus siya. Meron tayong mix of materials, carbon fiber, leather na gray, another type of gray material here na medyo darker. Also yung controls natin sa ating windows, na meron tayong auto folding mirror, meron tayong toggle, no, for adjustments, lock and unlock buttons, automatic up and down for the front passenger and driver. So meron tayong window lock button here. You have your speaker dito, yung tweeter natin is andun sa harapan, and meron tayong cup holders dito. So yung ating pedals mga motorista is naka-sport na siya ng mga design. So as you can see, silver yan, and then pati yung ating gas and brake, no. And meron tayong airbag dito. So definitely si Subaru has 7 airbags no dito sa ating looban. So that's really nice, very safe to na kotse in case of a collision. Ayan, leather yung ating mga seats mga motorista, and this is an 8-way driver adjustable seat. So height, slide and recline, perforated din siya, no, and then meron siyang lumbar adjustment mga motorista, which is nice. Now, yung ating seat is leather with, again, mix of black, gray leather, and very premium siya. Meron tayong butas-butas para hindi siya masyadong mainit mga motorista. So, more plain looking ating mga doors dito. Again, we have that parang gray and black material na plastic dito. You have a more hard na type na armrest dito sa likuran na part. And then, ito yung ating seats. You can actually fold the seats forward. Ayan. So, fold flat naman siya mga motorista. And then, ayan, pag ibalik mo siya, one position lang. And kung uupuan natin siya mga motorista, no? So nakalikod talaga yung ating upuan sa harap. And I still have lots of space here, very comfortable pa din siya. Meron tayong mga cup holders and bottle holders dito. You have your speaker here. Type C port, Type A port, One thing to know is meron siyang center tunnel kasi of course Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, meron siyang shaft na pupunta dun sa ating rear differential. So ito, ayan, so kung nasa center ka, not too bad kasi manipis lang siya, no? So hindi siya ganun ka obtrusive, and pwede mo nang ipatong yung paa mo kung gusto mo mag-relax pag ganun. Okay, so ayan, meron tayong seat belts here. For the center passenger, I think you still have seat belt din. Okay, and for the armrest, ayan, ito yung armrest natin. Yan, meron tayong cup holders. You can also adjust the headrest for the center passenger, mga motorista, no? So napaka well contoured ng seat natin. Meron tayong pockets dito, and unfortunately for the driver side, wala tayong pockets. Okay, so tignan natin yung likuran ng ating Subaru Crosstrek, mga motorista, no? So biniyahe pa nila to ng Bukidnon, from Bukidnon to Cagayan de Oro and back. So again, na-test drive na nila talaga to. So ayan yung ating boot space, no? Although yung boot space natin is hindi siya ganun ka-spacious like most of the crossover SUVs. Yung direct competitor nito is the HR-V. And yan, makita nyo naman naka spare tire tayo dito. Steel wheel lang siya pero full size naman. Light for the cargo area. And meron tayong lalagyan here. And meron tayong top tether. Meron din tayong tonneau cover here. Okay? So if you want to carry other stuff dito sa likuran. Now, usapang test drive naman tayo dito sa ating Subaru Crosstrek. And simulan natin sa kanyang suspension system. Na yung ating suspension setup sa ating Subaru Crosstrek is McPherson strut sa harap, and also dito naman sa likuran natin is independent rear suspension. Now, yun yung gusto ko dito sa Crosstrek is that yung ride niya is napaka-komportable and it does get very, very smooth once you're on the highway. Kahit malubak ka man, mga motorista, no, it has very good body control. Hindi siya yung parang merong malaking thud, no, kapag nalulubak ka. And of course, since this is a crossover SUV, tahimik din siya, mga motorista, and well insulated yung ating interior. In terms of the engine power naman, very decent naman yung engine power niya. It does kinda lack, no, a little bit of power than I would love to have, especially for the 2023 model year crossover SUV. Especially sa kanyang power na 156 PS, and yung torque niya is around 193 Newton meters of torque. Ilalagay ko na lang yung exact number when it comes to the torque. So yung power niya is very linear, and I really like the engine because it's quite smooth. Yung Boxer engine natin na 4-cylinder is very reliable kasi ito talaga yung technology na ginagamit ni Subaru sa kanilang mga crossovers, sa kanilang mga sasakyan, no, in the long ito talaga yung ginagamit ni Subaru na mga engine types. So which is really nice, very reliable tong engine na to, and it's quite smooth, especially when you're revving it all the way across to the red line. You won't feel the engine stress. Napaka-smooth niya, and the sound is really nice. Yung claim fuel consumption ni Subaru dito is 7.2 liter per 100, and yung top speed niya, no, according to Subaru, is 198 kilometers per hour. This is from a naturally aspirated, direct injected 4-cylinder engine, double overhead cam 16 valve Boxer engine, which has 1,995cc of capacity. So this is paired to a CVT transmission, and yung CVT transmission niya is very, very good. Hindi ko na feel na nagra-rubber band effect siya. It has simulated gears. When I use the manual mode, it does feel like, no, na manual talaga siya. Hindi siya yung parang slipping and sliding na CVT, which is really good. And another thing you don't know that's working on the background is yung kanyang symmetrical all-wheel drive. It's always there, no, to back you up. You have X mode, meron kang mga drive modes niya na you can definitely use the all-wheel drive system nitong Subaru XB. And one thing that I really like sa kanya, mga motorista, is it is quite tall. So maganda yung kanyang ground clearance. Now, yung kanyang curb weight naman is 1,519 kilograms, and yung fuel tank capacity nito is 63 liters. So mga motorista, we also have the EyeSight 4.0, which is a new generation sa kanilang EyeSight for this model year sa kanilang Crosstrek. Now sa previous XV natin, meron lang yung mga add-ons na wala dito like blind spot monitoring. Wala siya dito sa ating bagong Crosstrek. For this EyeSight 4.0, meron tayong tatlong cameras dito sa kanilang windshield, which is even more sensitive, no? So pedestrian detection, meron na yan. And also pre-collision braking, autonomous emergency steering, adaptive cruise control, lane centering function, and lane departure prevention. Hindi ko naman na-test lahat, pero definitely yung adaptive cruise control is na-test natin. And it is very good. Yung kanyang adaptive cruise control, it does feel like na-aggressive siya when it comes to catching up to the vehicle in front. Test drive ko siya in the highway, works really well. Again, it's a little bit aggressive once you set it to 100 or set it kung walang vehicle in front of you. It does accelerate quite rapidly to 100, mga motorista, keeping the revs high up talaga. So medyo nakakatakot yun, especially if you're coming up to a car in the front. So kung medyo mas brave ako nun, tas hindi ko na lang tinake over, baka mag-stop din siya, of course. Pero nakakatakot lang siya, no? It's not as intuitive as the Ford Territory na na-drive natin, na napaka-relax ng kanyang adaptive cruise control. Now, in terms of lane centering function din, I've seen na yung lane centering niya, medyo nagpiping-pong siya on the side. But then again, hindi ko siya na-try extensively kasi usually yung mga road markings, hindi naman siya ganun ka-clear. So, yun lang yung experience ko when it comes to ADAS system, mga motorista. Of course, autonomous emergency braking, hindi na natin yan i-test. Pre-collision braking, hindi natin yan na-test. But hopefully, we'll get to test drive the Crosstrek more to feel the car, no, when it uses the ADAS system. But as of now, it's kinda good naman din yung kanyang ADAS system. Alright, mga motorista, so yan yung ating advanced driver aids ni Subaru Crosstrek.
So mga motorista, yung ating price ng Subaru Crosstrek natin na 2.0S model, yung dinadrive natin ngayon na top of the line model, is priced at 2,188,000 mga motorista. When it comes to the pricing, no, I think the pricing is quite okay na din for the quality that this is. This is a made in Japan na sasakyan. That's worth something, no, if it's made in Japan. And also, for the base model is priced as at 2,088,000. So, onti lang yung difference nilang dalawa sa base model. So, if I were you, I think I'd go for the top of the line model na. So, get leather seats sa base model or sa entry model is hindi siya leather. I think if you prefer leather seats, I think this is the nicer one. And hindi yun adjustable na electronic, no? Hindi siya 10-way. So, what do you think, mga motorista? Let me know down sa ating comments sa ating Subaru Crosstrek. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, click that notification bell, and also sa ating Facebook, mga motorista, please go there and also follow our page, Motorista Adventures. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.